30 million men saw those flashy advertisements just in the last 30 days. That is a staggering amount of eyes on a single supplement. It looks professional. It promises natural ingredients and easy results. But the moment you peek behind the curtain, things get incredibly messy. I started tracking how this brand operates online. Within just 3 weeks, 7 brand new websites popped up. They all use the same brand name, but they are selling completely different formulas. One site tells you the secret is saffron and grape skin. Another says it is all about Garcinia, Cambogia, and raspberry ketones. How can a product have 7 different identities at the same time and still claim to be a legitimate health solution? It is a textbook bait and switch. It gets even worse when you look at the paper trail. These websites are using different payment processors. They are hiding behind untraceable registers to stay one step ahead of the law. If you try to get your money back, good luck. People are reporting that the 60-day guarantee is a total myth. You reach out for a refund, and they tell you that you are 4 days too late. This happens even if you barely just received the package. It is emotional and financial damage, plain and simple. We have to talk about the actual safety risks too, because this is where it gets scary. The FDA has issued nuclear warnings about this category of supplements. They are often spiked with undeclared pharmaceuticals. In fact, over 80% of these male enhancement products tested by labs contain the active ingredients found in prescription medications. We are talking about the stuff used for erectile dysfunction. You think you are taking a natural herb, but you are actually taking a powerful drug your body was never prepared for. Independent labs in California found something even more disturbing. Even after the government stepped in, 72% of these brands just kept right on adding those hidden ingredients. They hide everything behind the phrase proprietary blend. That is just a fancy way of saying they do not have to tell you how much of anything is actually in the pill. There are no clinical trials. There are no independent verifications. There is zero data to back up their wild claims. It is all just expensive marketing designed to part you from your money. My name is Mark, and I spend a lot of time investigating these products. I would rather not fill this channel with sponsored content from companies whose products I might roast next week. That would be awkward. If this investigation saved you some money or helped you understand the game, consider supporting what I do here. You can use the links I provided for your regular shopping. It does not cost you anything extra, but it helps me keep the lights on and the cameras rolling. Every little bit helps keep these investigations going. It helps me stay independent so I can keep calling out the scammers. Stay skeptical. Keep asking the hard questions. And do not fall for the shiny wrappers of a supplement scam.